Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to install the Python extension in VS Code in 2026. The Python extension adds useful features such as code completion, debugging, formatting support, and Python environment management. So let's get started. First, open VS Code and select the extensions view from the activity bar. You can also open the extensions section through the application menu. Use the search box and type Python. Look for the official Python extension from Microsoft and select it to view its details. Before installing, check the publisher and description to make sure you've selected the correct extension. Then choose the Install option and wait for the installation to finish. After the extension is installed, VS Code may ask you to reload the editor. If you see that option, reload the application so the extension can become active. Next, open a Python file or create a new one. VS Code should recognize the file as Python and provide language-specific features. You may also need to select a Python interpreter. Open the command palette or use the available Python environment option, then choose the Python installation or virtual environment you want to use. If you don't have Python installed, install a compatible Python version separately before trying to run Python code. Once everything is configured, you can use features such as IntelliSense, code navigation, debugging, and formatting directly in VS Code. If the extension doesn't work correctly, check that Python is installed and that VS Code can detect the selected interpreter. Most setup problems come down to the environment not being configured correctly, and that's how to install the Python extension in VS Code. Install the official extension, select your Python interpreter, and you'll be ready to work with Python projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.